Hi, this is Alex from My Tech Life, back with another video. I'm going to do an install of the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector. It has full touch, full cover, full clear. I've used this on my Galaxy Note 8 and I loved it. I also used it on my Galaxy S8 Plus and I loved it. It worked very well. It actually saved my Galaxy Note 8 when I dropped it. The protector cracked and kind of shattered, but when I peeled off the protector, thank goodness my Note 8 screen was fine and the protector actually peeled off all in one piece. So thank goodness, because that saved my butt. So let's see what this kit comes with. Here are the directions, which I will not have to really read these because I have a little bit of experience installing this glass protector, but I know they've kind of updated the installation and have added a few things, so it's a good thing to look over the directions a couple times, maybe watch their installation video a couple times, maybe do a dry run, and just so you're comfortable with the installation, because some people seem to be a little overwhelmed, and it's really not too difficult. Once you do it, you'll be like, oh, that wasn't so bad. So it comes with this tray. There's a top part, a bottom part. Here's the top piece. It actually says speakers, so you know that's up, facing the top. Inside is also, there's this key here that goes in, and the protector rests on it, and then once you put the Loca on there, the liquid, once it spreads, then you're able to remove the key and the glass protector will fall down on top of the phone. That's the way to do it. There's some dust remove stickers, alcohol wipes. Here are the pads that you put on the sides of the phone to help absorb any kind of possible liquid that would run over. A microfiber cloth. I'm not sure, because this pack that I bought on Amazon is a 2-pack, and you would think that it would come with some extra strips instead of just one set. You think it would come with, because there's 3 liquid tubes, you think it would come with 3 sets of the absorbing pads. So anyways, so the microfiber cloth, here's the 2 screen protectors, and then there's also a couple stickers for covering your earpiece, just to help keep it clean and nothing gets on there, none of the liquid. So that is what's inside. I'm not sure what's inside this box here. Oh, I have the light, duh. Let's see if I can get this open. So the ultraviolet, wow. Alright, let's go into beast mode. Just rip it open. So here's the UV light. The USB cord. And that looks like that's all that's inside there. And the the other piece that was hiding at the bottom in the tray. That's really stuck in there. Wow. Is the bridge, and the bridge ends up going over the top, and then you put your tube of liquid on there, and then that's what it's used for. And then once the liquid is onto your phone, then you remove the bridge and continue on with your process. But this is the bridge to put the tube screws in there. So that's everything. So let's kind of clean this up a little bit so we can start the procedure. The installation part, I'm going to remove these tubes out of the tray. So my Note 9, I received it yesterday. I still have the factory plastic on it, so that's gotta come off. And the next thing is I need to get this baby cleaned. So I gotta get our alcohol wipe out and give it a good cleaning. Any residue on there or whatever, because we want the glass protector to adhere. And then I take our microfiber cloth and get off the extra moisture from the alcohol pad. Should be pretty good. And then we drop it in the tray, and of course the bottom part of the tray does also say speaker for top, so you know that you're putting it in the correct way. So we'll grab a dust removal sticker and kind of go around the phone and make sure that we get all the extra pieces of lint or dust, because one thing you do not want is that piece of speck underneath your screen that'll drive you nuts. And while I'm doing this, you notice that the tray is making a rocking noise. Oh, see, and then also I forgot, you should turn your phone off before you start the procedure. So let's do that. I should have done that first. Since I touched it, I should give a little more of a alcohol wipe. Another wipe with the microfiber cloth. But back to what I was saying when I was using this dust remover thing, is that this tray tilts, and you use that tilt to help get the liquid to run down to the middle of your phone. Once the liquid gets to the middle of your phone, that's when you pull this key out and let the glass fall onto the phone, and that's when it all spreads out. I also like using a air dusting can and get those extra little pieces of dust that stickers don't always get. So now that we did that, let's get the top tray on. Oh, let's get this speaker sticker on there. Where'd I hide them? Right in front of me. There we go. So we want to put that on. Just enough to cover the speaker, the earpiece. There we go. Now we can put the top on. And that says speaker up top. Get the bridge in there. And then after making a little bit of movement, I still want to take my dust can and kind of give it a little spray to kind of get some more dust out to make sure there's nothing there. Actually, this bridge has a little bit of dust on it. Okay, so I think we're good. So then we loosen the top with the red and make it red so you know which is the top and which is the bottom. So screw that in. And then you unscrew the black one, and that'll release the Loca. I'm not going to use these pads. I've never used them before. I don't feel I need to use them again. Here's the screen protector. So we got to put the key in. Just like that. Peel back the one side of the protector. And I kind of do it away from the phone so there won't be any extra dust that falls in there. I think all the Loca's out, so now I removed the bridge. Tilt the phone. Wait. I see a speck. Okay, now you tip on it like I mentioned before and let the Loca run down to the middle of the phone. As you can see, it's slowly going down. As soon as it hits the screen, then you pull the key out and then let it move up and down the screen. It'll take about a minute or so for it to fully move. I will pause it and come back to you once that part's done. Okay, so it is spread to every part of the screen. So now you have to take your UV lamp. I have it plugged into a external battery charger and turn it on, and you have to let it cure for about, I don't know, I do it for a little bit longer than what they say. I think it's say 15 seconds or 30 seconds or something. I let it go for a little bit longer. It kind of has a timer on it, so bear with me. We're gonna hit it with the light, do the top, the bottom, then the middle, and then we'll pull it out of the tray. I'll pause it while I do these steps because it's pretty basic. Just do the top, the bottom, the middle, and then take it out of the tray, and I'll be right back. Okay, I did the top, the bottom, the middle, and I can remove the speaker cover. Okay, so I have it removed from the tray, and then I have to do the other curing again. Same steps once you remove it out of the tray. So we're going to do the top, the bottom, and the middle again. This time I do it for 2 cycles for each time. The light automatically turns off, and then I'll click it again and let it run the second cycle. So I'm going to do that, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I'm just finishing up the last little bit of curing the liquid underneath the glass, and then we'll toss it on a case or two and let you see how it looks with the case. So far it's looking pretty darn good. I love this glass protector. I know it's a little expensive, but it's the best thing on the market for the Galaxy phones and the curved displays, because it's like nothing's even there. It's feels like the regular glass. So let me give this a little wipe down. And there you go. It's installed. Let's power this back on. A little bit right there. But otherwise, it looks good. So I've got, I don't know, a couple cases. I did the SView case overview earlier. This one is a AM case, hybrid bumper case. And we'll slap this one on real quick and see how it fits with the screen protector on. And of course I'm getting all these messed up. And it fits very well, actually. There's plenty of room. There's no like lip that catches, even though there's a gap between the case and the screen protector. So this AM hybrid bumper case works very well with it. And this case is a clear case, so you can show off the color of your phone. Shout out to Eric for this case at TechMate. And then let's try another case. Well, this one's just a generic case that I picked up on Amazon, made by JNSA, just a TPU clear case. I'm sure I'll have no issues with it at all because this is a pretty flimsy TPU case. Yeah, it fits fine. I am a little concerned about the SView case, which I'll try right now, and hopefully it'll work out. I'm a little nervous about it, and we are going to find out very shortly here. And awesome, it fits in there no problem whatsoever with the SView case, so that's a big bonus. I'm really happy about that. So there's all my notifications. Awesome. So I hope that install video helped you guys out. Please hit the like button, and I'm also going to be throwing this video on Amazon too. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or anything like that, hit me up in the comments. I also like I said on my other video, for this video, if I can get 100 likes, I have one to give away, and then I also have some discount coupon codes coming, so we can also pick winners for that as well. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.